Hey everybody, this is Dr. Leah Hahn with Body and Balance, and today I wanted to really give you an idea of some of the things that Body and Balance can do to really help people deal with their neck pain, really truly get to the root of it and help them heal. And one of the things that we do at our office is extensive testing. So we do something called an EMG that really helps us identify how the muscles and the neurology of the spine are handling the amount of tension going on within their neck and the rest of their spine. But we also then will often use x-rays when they're necessary. And when we look at x-rays, what is so common to see is that this is an example. This is a patient who came in with severe neck pain. And what we see in this scenario is that they don't have the cervical curve. Now, we worked with them using a combination of adjustments. We used rehabilitation exercises. We had them do specific stretching at home. We had them really work on handling their stress differently, and we worked with a few dietary changes as well. But what the result of that is, over about a 4-month time period for this specific patient, they were actually able to completely change the shape of their spine. So this is an example where we're actually seeing correction. That's really what we want to go for. I could help you feel better for a couple days, but instead I really want you to heal. I want you to get to the root of your issues so that your body doesn't continue down a really tough path of having an issue get worse and worse over time. So this is one of the things that we can really do at Body and Balance, really get to the root of what's happening within someone's body, help them heal, help them change. It can make a profound impact within their life. So I hope that gives you some really good information. I will see you next time.